How to turn on Facebook dark mode. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you're going to do is on the bottom part, you will see six different options. So you'll see home, video, friends, marketplace, notifications, and menu. Click on menu. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is on the bottom part, you'll see these options. Tap on the settings and privacy. Now, after clicking on settings and privacy, what you're going to do is you will see the dark mode option there. Or the other way is you can go here to your settings, then scroll down up until you see preferences section. Now click on the dark mode here, and all you have to do is to make sure that you have chosen the on option here, and now you have successfully turned on the dark mode. Now let's just go back here. Under here, if you click on the settings and privacy, you will see the dark mode option directly, right? Now click on that and do the same process to turn on the dark mode. And basically that's how you turn on Facebook dark mode. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.